Prime Minister Andrew Holness has given the British monarchy notice that Jamaica will begin the process to remove the Queen as head of state. The announcement was made to the Duke of Cambridge, Prince William that is, during a courtesy call at Jamaica House earlier today. Kalisha Williams has that story as well as a roundup of day 2 of the royal visit.
Day 2 of the royal visit, which has been clouded by controversy, and Jamaica House was the first stop for Prince William and his wife Kate. The prince came face to face with Prime Minister Andrew Holness and arguably one of the most pressing issues of the royal tour, Jamaica's plan to break ties with Britain.
Jamaica is, as you would see, a country that is very proud of our history, very proud of what we have achieved. And we are moving on, and we intend to attain in short order our development goals and fulfill our true ambitions and destiny.
On a lighter note, the Duke and Duchess spent the rest of the morning interacting with teachers and students at the Shortwood Teachers College in St. Andrew.
It is so wonderful to hear your ideas and enthusiasm for teaching and the hopes you have to influence the lives of young people.
And while there was a cloud of doubt over whether or not the Duke and Duchess would have been welcomed in Jamaica, it's clear that for some, this trip has some importance.
What do we hope to achieve? This is international recognition for our country and what we're doing. You know, that's very important.
You know, some persons would say, you know, this is all optics. You know, what is the real value of having the prince here?
All right. We want to say that it's a means of humanitarianism. We want to make that connection, the relationship. We truly want to know that they are in our corner.
And the Shortwood Practicing Primary and Infant School went above and beyond to show the royal family just that. In fact, we were told leading up to the visit, volunteers had to be called in to help with interior and exterior decoration.
A night and a morning, about 5 hours. Yes, because we had several skills coming into play. And also, we had some professionals coming in as well to add their touch. Mr. and Mrs. Turner, they donated the plants and the grass.
They say some fairy tales don't come true, but today, dressed like a princess, 4-year-old Natalia Young met a prince.
3, 4, 10. You'd have 10 candles. And what kind of cake are you going to have? Do you like chocolate? Yeah? The sweeties?
Tomorrow is the final day of the royal visit. The Duke and Duchess will spend most of the day at the Jamaica Defence Force headquarters before leaving the island for the Bahamas. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.